morning. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. We just recently opened up the open outcry here at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Pretty quiet type of markets, basically in the holiday market mode, thin volume. Back in the day, we used to laugh about when the market gets like this, thin, choppy, local market, and that's basically what we're going to say now. It's thin, choppy, local market, meaning not a lot of size going through. It's easy to move the market one way or the other. Very thin type of environment. So that's what you're going to get today. Just looking at the few charts this morning, the 10-year note. Last night's low was 119.31. That's 38.2 retracement from this last little move that we've had from the 118.17 low up to yesterday's high of 120.26. So if you measured that move, 38.2 was last night's low. So that's your first level. You'd like to see the market hold above there. I actually like to see it get above 120.13 and a half and hold. Then you could look for a revisit of yesterday's high. Now, one thing notable, if you noticed on Friday, we did have a weekly reversal in the 10-year. 120.25 and a half was the old high, and yesterday we did go up. First day of the week, went up and met that objective, put in a half tick higher high. That met the objective for that weekly reversal. So that trade's over. Now we're going to see if we can hold the 10-year note in. It is volatile, but that's your holiday market type of trade. Red March specifically, we have 98.98 your pivot today. I'd like to see, I'd be a little bit long here, and I'd like to see a held trade above 98.94 and a half. Your first level of resistance is 99.01 and a half, 02. We start to take out that 02 level. Think that you have a little bull flag formation. You can look for another leg up. Another saying is, and I think I heard this one back in the day from Tony Laporta, never sell a quiet market. And that's the type of environment we're in now. If you look at options, also volume has been very light yesterday, pretty non-existent. We have seen open interest increasing in these SEP 96 calls over the past couple of weeks. So you are seeing people buying upside calls. Yesterday it was mostly in the mid-curve options and the greens. The 2-year green March 85 calls up 50,000, and the 91s were up. The 91s were down 50,000. So somebody putting on the spread there. Also, yesterday was the opening of the first 2 mid-curve serials off the green contract. So we've had January and February that trade off of green March, and we also added mid-curves in the blues. So you could price up something there if we start to like that part of the curve. This is Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. Have a good day. Thank you.